Hey there. You see this notice right here? This is a $74,000 notice for a client who didn't file their back taxes. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 steps that you must take in order to avoid collection activity with the IRS. Bye-bye tax bill. So if you owe $10,000 or more to the IRS or just haven't filed your back taxes, the first thing that you have to do is contact the IRS. So I know this is a tedious process, but it has to be done. The IRS will continue to accrue and compound penalties and interest from the time that you should have filed and paid until the time that you pay the tax debt in full. So you've got to take action. You got to take action now. So the next thing that you need to do is request an extension of time to file your taxes. Typically they give you about 30 days, and in this time frame, they won't garnish your wages, levy your bank account, or apply a tax into your credit. This also goes for businesses as well. So if you haven't filed your taxes, within that time frame, you need to get your taxes filed. Once that's done, then we can assess and see how much you owe the IRS and then identify which one of the programs you'll qualify for. So the next step is the most important, so listen very carefully. So I highly recommend that you apply for an offer in compromise if you qualify. This is preparing a 433A if you're an individual or a 433B OIC if you're a business. Next, you're going to attach a 656A or a 656B depending upon if you're an individual or a business. And essentially what you're doing is you're requesting that the IRS settle your debt for less than the full amount that you owe because you qualify. This process can take a significant amount of time, but if you qualify and the IRS approves your offer, you can save a significant amount of money. We've had clients that have owed hundreds of thousands of dollars and it's settled for hundreds. Keep in mind, you have to qualify. Now, if you don't qualify for an offer in compromise, then you can apply for an installment agreement. There are several different types of installment agreements based on how much you owe, so it's very important to complete your financial statement to see what you'll qualify for and how much your payment plan options will be. If it is done right, you can get into compliance relatively quickly and then apply for one of the programs, whether it's an offer in compromise or an installment agreement. Now, there are other options if those two don't work for you, depending upon your specific situation. There's the removal of penalties. There's even hardship programs if you can't afford to pay anything at all. So if you want to talk to me for free and see exactly what you qualify for, click the link below, select the best time and date, and we'll sit down, we'll go over all of your options, and we'll see exactly what we can do to help.